I am M. Shantavini, working as an assistant professor for Government Degree College, Women, Sangareddy. So today we are celebrating International Women Day. So happy Women Day to all of you. So why we are celebrating Women's Day? Because every woman, even she's working hard to get fame for herself. But most of the women, they are facing lot of problems. Women is very much equal to men. She is working in every field. Nowadays women are working as a doctors, professors, lawyers, pilots, what not, everything. They are more than men. They are like they have to work inside as well as outside, but there is no recognition. So if a man is working in both the fields, like inside and outside, he will have some respect when compared to women. But women nowadays, they are facing, not only nowadays, from ancient times onwards, women are facing lot of problems. There were many social reformers. They have taken many reforms to improve the condition of the women. I am a visually challenged women from childhood onwards. Even I have also faced a lot of problems, but I tried to overcome all those things, and I came to this stage. It is the responsibility of my father, because I am in this stage. So I got married. After that, my husband was also looking after me very well. I am a visually challenged woman. Even see, all the women should get inspiration by seeing me, because I am a woman who can do all the work. I am working as inside as well as outside. I can do all the household activities. I can look after my children very well. I don't send them to tuition also. I will teach them after coming from job. So I will look after all the household activities, and I will look after my children. So as a woman, you should get inspiration of me. If some woman is discouraged by anyone at anywhere, also she should not get depressed. Everything she should take in a positive way. She should never feel in a pessimistic way. Then only the women will become forward. If a woman is encouraged, the whole society will be encouraged. One thing I want to say is that a country, we can call that it is developed, means when the importance is given to women, then only the country or the world will develop to a great extent. The international countries like America, England, Italy, all those countries, they are developed. Why they are developed? Because they are not showing any discrimination between men and women. Everybody is equal. So here in India also, if such position is given to women, because women is also working in all the fields, that's why she should be equally treated with men. So that's what I want to give this small message to everybody. So everybody should get inspired by seeing me, because I am also a woman, visually impaired woman, working inside as well as outside. There is no work that can't be done by me. I can do all the works. It occurred in France. It occurred in France because the conditions there prevailing are very much suitable for its occurrence. So the conditions which are very much